Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to convert text from a picture into an editable text in MS Word. The only application you need is Microsoft Word, so let's jump straight into it. The first thing to do is to take a picture of the text with your smartphone. Okay, you will then transfer the photo to your computer. Okay, so here I'm on my desktop and I have this image here. Okay, so I have transferred the photo onto my computer. So let's open it. Okay, so this is a picture I took from a book. Okay, so this is the image I want to edit to a text. So how do we do that? So what we want to do here is that the text on this image, we want to edit it and transform that text into an editable text. Fine. As I said, we will use Microsoft Word to do this. I will open Microsoft Word and open a blank document. I'll then drag the image on my desktop into MS Word. Okay, so I can't edit the text now, as you can see. So it's a little bit roundabout way to do this. Let's say you can right click on it and there is an option to convert to text, but there is no option like that, so you gotta go through this roundabout way to be able to edit the text. So how do you go about this? The first thing to do is that I'll go to File and then select Save As. I'll then save this on my desktop, so I'll select Desktop. I'm going to save this file as Convert to Text. So convert to text. But for the save as type, by default, the save as type is a Word document. But instead of saving it as a Word document, what we will do is to save it as a PDF. So we will select PDF and then click on Save. The transformed PDF will open in Microsoft Edge, as you can see. So we've been able to convert the image into a PDF document. But still, this PDF document, the text in it cannot be edited, right? As we can see. Okay, so one of the amazing things about Microsoft Word is that when you open a PDF in MS Word, Word automatically converts that PDF into text. So that's basically how we get text into MS Word. Okay, so what I'll do now is that I'll open the PDF in MS Word. That's the image we converted to PDF. So I'll go to File, then to Open. And since we saved the PDF on the desktop, I'll select Desktop. And here is the PDF. So let's try opening it. When we try to open the PDF in Word, there is this dialog that says that Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Yes, that's exactly what we want. This might take a while, and the resulting document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like the original PDF. That's fine. So we click on OK. It's doing the conversion, and there you go. That's basically all the text from the image, and I can type alongside it. The image has now been converted into an editable text. Okay, so let me open the image alongside the editable text, and that's fine. It looks okay. That's how to basically convert image into an editable text. So here you see it did a pretty good job. Okay, so let me quickly brush you over the steps. You first take the photo with your smartphone and send it to your computer. You will then drag the image into a blank Word document. You go to File and then Save As Type. You select PDF. Then you open the saved PDF in MS Word, and MS Word will automatically convert the PDF into text. You can then go ahead and make the edits you want to make. If you are able to successfully bring text into MS Word and you are now able to edit it, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see future videos like this, hit that subscribe button and you will get a notification anytime new videos like this comes out. And if there is anything else you are trying to learn or you want to try to figure out how to do something, leave a comment down below and I'll add it to my list of videos to create in the future. And that's all I have for you today. I'll see you next time. Bye.